Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, alainatoday. If you are new here, my name is Elena and I'm an American that lives in Calcutta, India, and I like to make videos about my everyday life. So we are about to head out for lunch, and today we have decided to go to Old Calcutta. My mother-in-law has been wanting to go there for a very long time, and we've never been either, so super excited to try it out. Hopefully I can get better clips for you in today's video than my last food vlog video, but I'll see what I can do. But it is a gorgeous, beautiful day. Beautiful white clouds and blue sky, so hopefully it stays like this. We might try to go to Eco Park after this, and if we do, I'll try to get some of that as well. But I'm excited to try out Old Calcutta. Excited, Mom? We're gonna go to Old Calcutta?
Very excited.
What are they known for? Is it Indian food?
Yeah,
or they have a little bit of everything?
I told you the Hilsa shop is
Oh,
there.
the Hilsa. Oh, yeah.
This is the season for Hilsa.
This is the season for Hilsa.
And they held one festival of this fish, and different types of traditional and fusion dishes are.
Oh, I'm excited. So we'll have to try it. We'll definitely have to try it for sure.
There are boneless for every foreigner and everything else.
Good.
With fish for
exactly.
Fish for the Indians.
And then they also have food for everyone else. So we'll definitely have to try it. If Hilsa's what it's known for sure. So I will be driving there. We are doing, is it Newtown, Sandeep?
No, I think that's in Bypass.
Bypass, okay, so we're going to the one in Bypass because I guess there's two Old Calcuttas in Calcutta, so we're doing the one by the Bypass. So I'm excited to try out the food. Wow, it's pretty empty here, huh? Oh, Calcutta is this one? Well, this is Hilsa Festival. You were right, Mom. Ooh, okay, we're gonna have to try it.
Chalo.
Honey, are you sure we've never tried this? Or does it just look the same as before?
Table for 3. The reason kilos is matching.
This one?
Yeah. Pretty full. People are coming out, Selena.
Alright guys, so they have 3 menus. They have the drink menu here. They have their regular menu here. Not too many options, but I think that's always the best when we don't have a lot of options. That means the food is really good. And then for this month's specialty is this Hilsa fish menu. So Masa Hilsa fish is very popular here is it just popular in West Bengal, or is it, so it's a West Bengal type of fish? And so I have decided to get the smoked Hilsa boneless, because I've always, you've made Hilsa for me before, a long time ago, right? But it had bones in it, and it's very hard for me to eat fish with bones. So I've decided to get the smoked Hilsa boneless. We are going to try this murgi fry. How do you say it? Yes. Murgi fry? Did I say it right?
Murshidabadi murgi fry.
Murshidabadi murgi fry.
Can I order?
Yeah. And then Sandy's gonna try the Malai curry. And Ma, what are you getting?
One Hilsa paturi. Hilsa paturi and one Hilsa bhaja.
What is this?
Bhaja.
Okay, so we're getting Ma's gonna try
Hilsa paturi with
Hilsa paturi.
the wrapped banana flour.
With no banana flour. Okay, and then which one else?
And this Hilsa bhaja.
Hilsa bhaja. Oh, okay. Ooh, that looks good. All right.
Paturi.
একটা পাতুরি একটা ভাজা
একটা ইলিশের পাতুরি, একটা ইলিশের ভাজা, আর বইয়ের জন্য হচ্ছে স্মোকড হিলসা।
Boneless.
হ্যাঁ, স্মোকড হিলসা ইজ
Yeah, boneless.
স্টার্টার আছে। ওটা স্টার্টার। বুঝলাম না।
স্মোক হিলসা স্টার্টার আছে।
This is a starter, it's not a main course.
Oh,
What do you
wow,
want?
wow. What would be good?
ভাপা ইলিশ is boneless.
Then I'll try the. Yeah, I want boneless. So whatever boneless.
ভাপা ইলিশ দিয়ে দাও।
আম ইলিশ আছে বোনলেস
Which one would be better?
Which one would you suggest for her?
The wrapped leaf one? Or?
with plain rice with ভাপা ইলিশ with the mustard.
That would be good. Okay, so I'll try this one then.
ভাপা ইলিশ
The steamed. Okay,
আর
perfect.
আমাকে দাও হচ্ছে
All right, guys. So we're gonna try.
এবারে
this
এবার
instead,
তুমি
'cause
বলো
this is
এর সাথে
actually a
কি কি নেওয়া
starter.
উচিত এগুলোর সাথে।
Okay, so we want main meal. So, all right, we're gonna try this one. Excited. All right, finally we got our appetizer. And it looks really good. They say you don't need mayonnaise or sauce with it. The way
No ketchup.
well, they said try it first without ketchup to see if we like it. Oh yeah, it's super moist and it has lots of flavor. So yeah, you do not need any sauce with it. I don't think. Wow, I feel like it's kind of the coating or something filled a little.
Yes.
Wow. The chicken is very moist and fresh. Yeah, it has like some filling in it, I think. Very good, guys. This appetizer, I think it's their only chicken appetizer they had, but it's very good. Good start so far to our meal.
Yes. Very good.
মাছ ভাজা
Maj bhaja.
This is the oil of fish.
Mustard oil or like what the
They fried the fish with this oil and the oil is smelling so good. The green chili, we can take this.
we can eat it with the green chili. Wow. Thank you. Wow. This looks delicious. Well, I love coconut, so thank you. Wow, amazing.
আপনি পড়ে আপনি ইলিশ বানাতে
No, I'm here to try.
Put that there. Perfect.
You try to look over the taste.
Wow, guys.
Try to look over the taste.
So he didn't get the malai curry. What's this called again?
Duck chingri.
Dak chingri. Amazing. Look at that, guys. Wow.
So this is the ভাপা
ভাপা ইলিশ বোনলেস and mustard gravy will be separately.
the gravy is separated for you.
Perfect. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Prawn with rice, then you try
Eat
mustard.
this and then try that. Okay.
খালি
Thank
আমাদের
you.
পাতুরিটা বাকি আছে
পাতুরি প্লাস আপনি আগে ইলিশ ভাজা দিয়ে খাবেন তো
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
ওকে
And then this is mine. All right. So first we're gonna try the prawn with rice. Wow. That is delicious. It's actually not too coconutty.
একটু পরে এটা খেয়ে নিয়ে আসি।
I will, of course. This is amazing, guys. Ma, we should learn how to. Is that difficult? We should learn how to make that. Do you know?
We have one made of oven is made of clay. Then I can
okay.
mix everything.
So because you need a
Oven
clay.
can put it on this oven. But in gas, this is impossible.
Okay, so it's difficult to cook this in gas. You kind of need a clay oven, right, Mom? Oh, wow. This is amazing, though, guys. What do you think? Oh, we haven't tried it. Oh,
This is the traditional green chili, oil, fish oil.
what do you think? And the chingri is not cooked too much. It's super soft and juicy. Very, very good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna try some. I'm gonna share mine with you guys too. Okay, so smells good. They gave me mustard sauce separately for me. Do you want me to give you some too, Mom? Is that enough? Yeah, I'll give you a piece of
না না
this too, Mom.
বলছি চিকেন স্টুটা তুমি কোথায় বলেছিলে আমাকে?
Okay, moment of truth.
Okay.
Ooh, the mustard taste. I thought it was going to be too mustardy because it smells pretty strong with mustard, but the taste is not. It tastes really good, so it's not too strong in flavor, and it's very delicious. I'm so happy it's boneless. That must be hard though. Unless, are there parts of the fish that are boneless? They're just a little more expensive. It's so much easier to eat fish that is boneless. I like it. Wow, guys, this food is awesome. I think that's everything, right? Ma still has to try the... Yes, and then I'll try this one real fast. This is very traditional though, one. This one does have tons of bone. But let me try it. Wow. This is very tasty. This is very good fish. All the flavors are really good. They cooked it really well.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, delicious. So I'm very happy we tried this. Alright guys, we're basically finished up with everything, but we still had some rice left and we wanted to try something else because the fish has been so good. So what did we order? Tosto nakuri. Nakuri? Okay. Nakuri? Nakuri? Nakuri. Nakuri. Poppy seeds with coconut. Okay, so poppy seeds with coconut fish. So we have already, like I said, we've eaten everything. We've obliterated everything. It was so delicious. Every fish had such a different flavor to it. Yeah, it's all the same fish, but the making, like the coconut was delicious, and my mustard seed paste fish was delicious. Mom's plain fried fish was good. We also got fish I forgot to show, but paturi. So we've already eaten the fish, unfortunately. So sorry, guys, I forgot to show you. But that's the leaf that the fish was left over. But that was also delicious, and they all had such great flavor. So now, because we still have a little rice left, and the food has been so good, and the festival is ending at the end of this month, so we really want to get it all in and try it all. I think we literally tried every fish dish they had on here with Ilish, so that's okay. It is awesome and delicious, totally worth it. So we're gonna try the poppy seed fish here in a little bit. It takes a few minutes to finish, and I'll let you guys know what I think of that. But so far, so good. So we've already taken some out, but this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna try this last dish. And it is boneless, so that's good. How is it? Good? Wow. I think this is my favorite.
Yes, this is the...
I think this is my favorite one out of all of them. Do you want more gravy, Mom? Wow, guys. It's sweet, but not too sweet. Patapati, yes, Ma. Ma said that it is patapati. Yes. So we're gonna finish this up, and then we're gonna end it with a nice, not fresh lime soda, but what's it called again?
Gandharaj lemon.
Gandharaj lemon.
Gandharaj lemon soda.
Oh, Gandharaj lemon soda. I probably butchered that, but and we'll finish the meal off with one of those. So stay tuned.
Tosto and coconut make the dish delicious.
So good.
So good.
All right, so here is, wow, this looks really nice, guys. really like the cup. Maybe we can take it home with us. Just kidding. All right, so let's try it. Wow, it does smell really good. All right, let's try it. Ooh. Usually this is a mix, so I guess that means that they've added a little bit of salt and sugar to it. Is it regular salt or is it black salt? I think black salt. It tastes like it has black salt in it, but this actually tastes really good. The black salt with the sugar, and then this particular lime, very delicious. You like it, Mom? So I think we had a very successful lunch. We love this place, Old Calcutta. If you guys get a chance to come here, it serves traditional Calcutta food, right? Bengali, not just Bengali cuisine. So and I think the Hilsa Fish Festival menu is here until the end of August. So if you guys get a chance to come in the next couple of weeks, I highly recommend it. All of the Ilish fish was phenomenal, delicious. I would say my favorite was the very last one with the poppy seed, coconut. Just the mixture was delicious. What was your favorite, would you say?
My favorite is the Maj Bhaja
and the coconut with poppy seeds as well. So it was so good, guys. Try it all like we did. I mean, you know, the prices are a little expensive here compared to other places, but it's worth it. I mean, the food was amazing, and can't wait to come here again. I would highly recommend this place, guys. But we're gonna go ahead and finish this up, and we'll see you guys later. So we are back home. We ended up not going to the park. We're all a little tired. It's a little late in the day, so I think we're all gonna just go ahead and take a little nap and get rejuvenated before other fun activities this evening. But I just wanted to say, guys, I've been saying a lot about Ilish fish, which is what we had. For those who are not Bengali or from West Bengal, it's actually a very traditional Bengali fish. And during the monsoon season, I guess is when it's the tastiest and best. And so because of that, Old Calcutta is a restaurant. I don't know if other restaurants does it here in India, but I know that Old Calcutta, because it serves very traditional Bengali food, during the month of the monsoon, they have a special, basically, menu with Ilish fish. And it actually is ending pretty soon. I think by the end of August, I said earlier. So, you know, his mom was just really excited to go check it out. I didn't even know about it. So I'm really happy she brought it up, and we went, and as you guys can see, we tried a lot of delicious Ilish food or dishes, and I mean, everything was phenomenal. Like I said, prices are a little bit on the higher end, but it was definitely worth it. I think this is some of my favorite Bengali food that I've tried out so far. I mean, I ate so much. I think we all ate so much. We tried so many dishes, but because it is ending and we don't know when we'll be back, we just really wanted to try everything. But it was really good. I do have to say that the restaurant itself inside was really nice. The decor was nice. I liked the ambience of the place. The waiters were very kind and quick. They were very prompt. They were always asking us if we needed anything. And yeah, I think overall the experience was great. Old Calcutta was an awesome experience. It's an awesome restaurant. So for anyone who lives here in West Bengal, if you've not tried out Old Calcutta, I would highly recommend it. I'm sure both the restaurant chains are going to be just as good. And if you're not from Calcutta and you find yourself here one day, I would highly recommend checking Old Calcutta out. Very traditional Bengali food, and if they did so amazing on the food we had today, I'm sure the rest of their menu is just as phenomenal. That'll do it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it really helps to support my channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.